siyempre to light the tree, Irene Jose from Co-Uniprom. COO Uniprom. Siyempre. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Hindi pa salamatan ang ating mga audience na pupunta talaga dito para abangan ang ating giant Christmas tree sa Araneta City.
Ayan!
So much.
Pero siyempre, may fireworks display ang araw.
Ng people dito para lang makita na umilaw ang ating giant Christmas tree sa Araneta
Tama.
City.
Tama yan. Kaya, tama ba? We can get things started? Sige. At dahil kompleto na sila, we can start the countdown in just a little bit. Abangan natin yung mag-start ng countdown natin habang nagpo-photoshoot ng ating
Yes, and of course,
guest. Yan. Pero siyempre, tatawagin na.
Kampana ng simbahan ay nanghigising na at walang nagsasabi.
yes!
Simba, magising at magbago, tayo'y magsilakan.
Siyempre, after the photo op, Meme Vice will be joining us back on the stage
Correct.
for a quick photo op.
Thank
So,
you
for the
so much,
stage.
everybody.
Ay talagang dumaan ka sa Mirna Esguera.
And of course, nandyan din ang SB19's Josh Cullen, di ba?
Siyempre, we have Fiang and Kai and Showtime's kids, Imogen and Kelsey. Yan. Pero Araneta, ang tanong namin sa inyo, ready na ba kayo?
Ito na ang inaabangan natin buong gabi, Jeremy, no? Talagang...
Calling for a quick photo op once again here on the main stage. At syempre, ito yung papasko namin sa inyo, Araneta. Ito na ang winners ng ating raffle.
Yes, our 5 winners of Noche Buena package.
Queens natin, syempre, Lorraine. We have second runner-up, Trisha Martinez. Binibini Pilipinas 2024 first runner-up, Cristal de la Cruz. Binibini Pilipinas Glow 2024, Jasmine Bungay.
Sino po ang ating live audience winners? Ito pa nga ang ating winner of lunch or dinner buffet for 2 at Novotel Araneta City, si Rubilin de la Novaliches, Quezon City. Our live audience winner once again. Congratulations!
Please proceed near the stage and look for Tim Sintenza to claim your guys' prize.
Yeah! Ito pa nga, overnight stay at Novotel Manila, Araneta City with breakfast buffet for 2, Melody Estuista from Manhattan Heights, Tower D. I love it, ang lapit lang po niya, no? Ito naman ang ating 5 winners of Noche Buena package para sa ating online winners. Congratulations po kina Eliza Joy Dacumos, Ruby B. Tuwason, Gregory Laida, Elsie Calong, and Ednalyn del Rosario.
Photo op para sa lahat ng ating mga guests. Maraming salamat. We say quick thank you. Siyempre ulit kay Josh Cullen, Kai, Fiang, Kelsey, Imogen, Rive, at siyempre Meme Vice. Ganda. Yeah. Merry Christmas, Araneta. Maraming salamat for being here with us ngayong gabi. You guys are amazing. Your energy has been beautiful.
Correct.
Thank you
Alam
so
mo ba,
much.
Bestie, hindi pa tayo tapos dahil meron pa tayong winner of lunch or dinner buffet for 2 at Streets Ibis Styles Manila, Araneta City. Congratulations kay Daisy Jane Gozon Coloma, our online winner.
Yan. Muli, ako po si Jeremy G, ang inyong host at ating co-host si
Lorraine Galvez, thank you so much. Meron pa tayo mga dito, winner of overnight stay at Ibis Styles Manila with breakfast for 2 at Streets, Carla Joy Areb Alo, our online winner. Congratulations po to every one of you who just won tonight.
Yes, at syempre maraming salamat muli sa lahat ng guests natin ngayong gabi. I've been your host, Jeremy G, with ating co-host.
Ako po si Lorraine Galvez. Thank you so much for having us tonight. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat! Thank you so much!
Thank you so much. Mag-iingat po tayo sa pag-uwi. Ano ang people?
Come on and join the celebration. All around the world,
People make a change.
come on and join the celebration. All around the world, people make a change. It's time to have a Christmas party. All around the world, people make a change. will make a change. It's time to have a Christmas party.
Yeah!
Everybody!
Ganda! Ay, ganda! Mga mata! Sa ano, hanapin natin dito. Tayo-tayo lang tayo dito. Ano? Sama niyo sa job description. Kaya sumasayaw-sayaw sa finale. Na daw, Merry Christmas po sa inyo lahat.
So much, everybody!
Ano? Itibok-tibo Amazing ng Pino Ang lamig
Tagang mo pa.
Hi everyone! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Salamat ha!